Today I'm going to be showing you all the supplies that I use. So for canvases, I use Artist Loft 8x10. It does come in a 10 pack. They are full price for $20. You can usually use a coupon, or sometimes they'll mark them down for $12 and $10, which is awesome. So I always wait until they're on sale. For cups that I use, I always reuse mine, but while I'm waiting for paint to dry or whatever and I can just peel it off, I do use Solo clear cups, 18 ounce for mixing, and then the small little ones are 5.5 ounces. Let me see. So the small cups are 5.5 ounces. I get them from Walmart. They're like $2 and some change. They are snack cups. So you get 20 of them there. I use these bottles. I got them from Amazon for I think like $12 for a pack. So that's not bad. Then I use Elmer school glue. You can get that from Walmart. That's like $12 right there. Again, more cups. This paint, I like to get the 32 ounce bottle. It's usually cheaper. They're $8.99 on Michaels. You can use a coupon for them, and that will bring it down even more. I'll even show you how I shop as well. More cups. Got this bottle from Walmart. I believe it was like 99 cents. Again, Amazon. Popsicle sticks you can get from Michaels or Walmart. My favorite ones are the jumbo when it comes to using resin or mixing paint. So this little strainer was like $1 at Walmart. This to create cells. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Alright, but it's True Feel, so if that's the brand that you're looking for. And I think I got it from Target, and I don't remember how much that was. Alright, so I have more canvases over here. This one is 10 by 10. I might return them, not really my favorite. I use art resin. You can get that on Amazon or through their website. Varnish, I use the Liquitex gloss varnish. Normally it's pretty expensive. I wait until I can use like a 50% off coupon. Again, I will show you how I shop. These, so this is my little stash right here of all my unused paint. So usually these paints are like 79 cents. You can use a coupon for it, which brings it down to 40 cents per bottle. This right here is where I put pretty much my empty paint bottles until I run low. And to basically get more paint, all you have to do is basically put it upside down, let it sit. You can get another like ounce out of it, which is nice. More canvases, got them from Hobby Lobby when they were on sale. How you doing? I heard from the Humane Society. Also, life hack, when you're resining, I learned it the hard way, and I went through so many measuring cups, but you can use plastic. That is completely dried resin right there. Or you can use glass, try and be more conservative, but the issue I was having was I couldn't get the resin off of it, so it would dry. I even broke a stick. So once you're done resining, use, I don't know if it's gonna focus, use alcohol. I find at least 70% works great. You just pour it in there. You use a paper towel. It cleans it for you. If you want to reuse your plastic, you can. If not, you don't need the rubbing alcohol. And yeah, so now I'm about to show you how I shop online. Alright, so usually what I do is wait until Michael's offers a 40% off all regular price items, and I purchase it online and I pick it up in store. So that is what you're going to be looking for. So everything you're about to see is just an example of something I would normally look for when I'm shopping. So again, the 8x10 canvases, normally $20, can get them for $12.99. What I'm about to show you is not sponsored. It's actually something I wish I knew when I started painting, because it is very expensive over time. So let's say you add everything to your cart, as I did previously. Now you are going to want to install this. That is the program name. I'm not going to say what it is because again, it is not sponsored, but with the blue tab you can actually get money back for everything you purchase. So today it's actually offering 2 points for every dollar you spend, which is great. I've used it when I had to stay in hotels and I've gotten free gift cards from it. Now the other program is just going to run the coupons that might be best and actually work to give you a better deal. For the first 2 years of doing acrylic pouring, I was actually going in store paying full price, so this is actually really nice to know that it will scan any coupon ever used and is actually giving me a better deal than I thought previously. So right there, it did pull up the code that Michael's was offering, but as you can see, it brought my total from $70 to $47. And again, with acrylic pouring, it's a very expensive hobby, and I love being able to save money on that because then you can get more supplies and, you know, enjoy. So yeah, this is basically kind of a little example of what I do. Just wanted to share my trial and error, and I hope this helps. The giveaway is still going on, so if you would like to enter, comment down below and I will be randomly picking 2 names in a week